Hi, I'm Scott Cooper, your local mortgage banker, and I wanted to get an update on some underwriting guideline changes with regard to mortgage insurance, a new HARP 2.0 refinance program for people that are upside down, and also on some new documentation that we'll be requiring from borrowers. Starting with the mortgage insurance. Now, obviously, mortgage insurance is required for anybody putting less than 20% down on conventional financing. And Radian, who's a major mortgage insurance company, came out and they lowered their minimum credit scores from 680 down to 620. Now, that's great news because it'll open up the number of people who can take advantage of conventional financing, as it tends to be the preferred method from sellers. On to HARP 2.0. The government is out there endorsing a new refinance program that will allow people who are upside down to refinance to current low interest rates. Now, we're still getting some details that will be much more clarified around the middle of November, toward the end of November, but I wanted to get the information out to you so that if you yourself or somebody you know has been looking at refinancing and couldn't because they were too far upside down, this program may help you out, and I'll get more details as they come out. On to additional documentation. Now, obviously in lending, we're document heavy, but we're going to increase a little bit more. We're now going to be asking buyers to document their earnest money deposit. So if the money comes from, it's a gift from a family member, if it's coming from a friend, if it's going to be cash that they use, they go and buy a cashier's check, that's going to have to be documented and could create some problems later on. So I want to give you a heads up on that. Then also some food for thought. You know, I hear a lot of people talk about how the lending is just so nitpicky and so crazy right now. Freddie Mac just came out and they said that they lost $4.4 billion in the last quarter. Now, if you go through and do the numbers, that's $141,000 a minute that they lost money. That's a lot of money. So I think it helps to give you some insight into why they are so nitpicky, why they're getting so particular on all the different items. Anyway, hopefully good information. Have any questions? You can get a hold of me. My contact information is to follow. I'm Scott Cooper, your local mortgage banker, and I'm here to help.